Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve question number 5 from exercise 8.1 from NCERT new syllabus. So, to solve this problem, you must know all the properties of a parallelogram. I have already created a separate video on the properties of parallelogram. If you have missed that video, please go and check it out. For that, I will put the video link in the description box below. That video will help you to understand today's video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So, let's get started. So friends, here we have question number 5. Let us read it. In parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ. Show that triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB, AP is equal to CQ, triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD, AQ is equal to CP, APCQ is a parallelogram. So we have to prove 5 points. So here कैसे शुरू कैसे करेंगे, start, how to start it. Okay, so I always say that first we should write the given things. Okay, observe the figure carefully, then read the question again, then we should write the given things. What is given in the question? Given, what is given? A parallelogram. A parallelogram ABCD, and one more thing, on diagonal BD, DP is equal to BQ. DP is equal to BQ. It is also given. Okay. Now we will start proof. So first point, we have to prove that triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. So we should choose those two triangles only. So that triangle APD, let us mark triangle APD. This is triangle APD, yellow color, and triangle CPD, triangle CQB, triangle CQB. This is triangle CQB. These two triangles. Okay, now write in triangle APD and triangle CQB. Okay, let us check the corresponding sides or angles. Okay, so here we can write that AD is equal to CB. Why we can write this? Can you say? Pause the video and think. Yes, exactly. We can write this because it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram, and friends, we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AD and CB are opposite sides. So we can write that given. Okay. Now, and also we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel also. It means AD is parallel to BC. These two sides are parallel to each other, and BD is a transversal, okay. So alternate interior angles are equal. It means this angle is equal to this angle. Can you name it? Can you name these angles? We should write here angle ADP, is equal to angle CBQ. Why? Because alternate interior angles. You write the full spelling, alternate interior angles. This is the reason. We have to mention the reason. Now, one more thing. We can write that. What should we write here? One more side is there here. Here, dP is equal to BQ. Can I write this? dP is equal to BQ. Once again, pause the video and think, why should we write this? Because, do you remember, it is given here. It is given here in the question. We have already written here dP is equal to BQ. So, it is given. So, given. So, friends, here, this is corresponding side, this is corresponding angle, this is one corresponding side. So, therefore, by SAS rule, we can say that triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. So, we have proved the first point. This is the first point. Okay, we have proved it. Now, the second point is AP is equal to CQ. How can we prove this? Here, we will take the help of the first point. Here, now only just we have proved that triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. It means by CPCT, we can apply by CPCT. Here we can write AP is equal to CQ. Okay. So this is what we have to prove in second point. We have proved it. Okay. So if you find it difficult to understand this sum, please go and check it out. I have already created a separate video on the properties of parallelogram. If you watch that video, then this video will be easy for you to understand. For that, I will put the video link in the description box below. Okay, friends. Now, next 3 points we will prove in the next slide. Okay. So, here now we have to prove point number 3. What? Triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. Let us take these two triangles. AQB. This is AQB. Now triangle CPD. This is triangle CPD. Now let us start writing. So here in triangle APD and triangle CPD, what can we write here? Here we can write AB is equal to CD. Why? Same thing, because ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given in the question. ABCD is a parallelogram. See, ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so we can write that opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. So it is given. Now, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel also. So here we can write that. See, here AB is parallel to CD and BD is a transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal here. This angle and this angle. Now we should write the name of those angles. Okay. So we can write that angle ABQ is equal to angle CDP. Why? Alternate interior angles. Okay. So, one more thing, we can write here BQ is equal to DP. Why? Because it is given in the question. So, we should write the reason given. Now you can see here that we have a corresponding side equal, a corresponding angle is equal, a corresponding side is equal. It means therefore by SAS congruency, triangle, which triangles? Triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. So we have proved the third point also. We have proved. Now, I hope you have understood till here. Now, what is the next point? AQ is equal to CP. So, we will prove this using CPCT. Just now we have proved that triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. So, it's very easy to prove the fourth point. Therefore, by CPCT, AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. So we have proved the fourth point also. Proved. Okay. Now what is the fifth point? The fifth point we have to prove that APCQ is a parallelogram. APCQ is a parallelogram. So let me erase it. So we have to prove that APCQ is a parallelogram. It means this APCQ. This is a parallelogram. Okay, friends. I hope all of you know the definition of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, both the opposite pairs are equal. If in a quadrilateral, both the pairs of opposite sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. So, first we should write in ABC in quadrilateral. First AB, we don't know it is a parallelogram or not. So, we can write in a quadrilateral. What is the name? APCQ. APCQ. Here we have just proved about that. The second point we have proved that. Here I will change the color. Here AP is equal to CQ. We have proved above, and AQ is equal to CP. We have proved above just now. So, actually AP and CQ are the opposite sides. See AP and CQ. AP. So, here AP is equal to CQ. One pair is equal, one pair of opposite sides equal, and AQ is equal to CP. Another pair of opposite sides is equal. It means both the pairs are equal. So we can write, therefore, okay, both the pairs, since both the pairs of opposite sides are equal, therefore APCQ is a parallelogram. Okay. So we have proved the last point also. Friends, I hope you have understood today's topic without any difficulty. I hope you have no doubt. Proved. Okay. So, but still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. If my videos are useful to you, and if you like my videos, please like and share to your friends. And let me remind you once again, I have already created a special video on properties of parallelogram. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go and check it out. For that, I will put the video link in the description box below. So friends, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.